Hey, thanks for joining my channel, The Eclectic Life. Today I wanted to show you my latest creation. It is a snap-on toolbox I just got about a week ago, but what I've done is I finished the track system so you can slide all the way back and forth. You know, it's not the lightest thing in the world, but it's not that much effort really. I put some grease down on the tracks. I thought it was pretty cool to be able to slide it all the way over to one side and have access to this area stored in the middle, something like this right there, somewhere right in there, just so the weight's even, because I got a generator on one side and a toolbox over there on that side, majority on the passenger side. But then I can slide it all the way to this side so I can access the generator and all that good stuff to be able to start it, stop it, plug stuff in, things of that nature. And also there's going to be some kind of fan that goes right here on the generator. So I just wanted to show you guys. I don't know if you ever seen anything like this. Let me know what you think in the comments. I guess I'll give you guys kind of a close-up. It's not done yet. I got to paint it and everything. Don't look at some of the welds. Some of the welds are good. Some of them are just terrible. Trying to find the right heat settings. I'm not a welder. But you can see some grease down on the tracks right there. So the only downside is you can't just throw something in here because it'll just land on the grease and get grease all over everything. I do have a cover for this box, and I've got barely any grease on the bottom corners that sit down on the very bottom right there. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, if you like it, if it's something that I didn't really film too much of the track just because it was an experiment and I don't know. I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but it actually turned out pretty good. Actually turned out really good in my opinion. You know, I put some grease down in there every so often when I think it needs it. Um, you know, it serves three main purposes. The first one being versatility, just the whole inside of the van. Makes everything more versatile. Second, it's going to be really hard to steal. Nothing's impossible with enough time, right? And money. And also, so it doesn't kill me if I get in a wreck, it won't fly up and just break my neck. It's made out of 3/8 steel plate all the way up around. I think I got it welded enough, really. I don't see no need to weld all the way across. I did some stitch welding. We're not going to get too close, so you can't judge the welds that much. But that one on the very end looks pretty good right there. That one was looking pretty decent. That was pretty. We're not going to go too far. Anyways, thanks for watching the sliding snap-on toolbox by Matt the Mechanic. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see anything else I talk about more in depth that you've seen in my videos or anything like that, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you like this idea in the comments or what you would have done different. And just your thoughts, you know, so we can have a conversation about stuff, have some engagement. So hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We just passed 200 not too long ago. We're a very small channel, pretty new channel, so help us grow. Thanks for watching The Eclectic Life. Hey, I forgot to tell you about how I actually store the box. So when I'm done working on a project, I'm gonna push it back to the middle, somewhere right in there. And I have this lock screw right here. Just turn it till you can't turn it anymore with your fingers. And then I'll bring you guys in, and then you just tighten it up with a 15mm socket right there. It's just a little set screw, if you will. And it works really good. It just impinges the whole system. Try saying that 3 times fast. Um, impinges it so it can't slide around. You know, you don't have to crank it down and try to break it off. You just got to get it really nice and snug. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that in there. I realized I didn't talk about that when I was showing you guys everything else. So thanks for watching The Eclectic Life. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe.